Today, I'm gonna show you how to do this cow Halloween makeup look. Welcome to my channel. My name is Courtney and we are going to be getting into our Halloween makeup looks. If you have been following me, you know last year I did really well with the deer look and the cheetah/leopard look. I thought I'd switch it up and try this cow look. Unfortunately, I did attempt this look yesterday and I guess the face paint that I got from Spirit Halloween was horrible and I actually still have paint in my hair. We're gonna try again. I went to Walmart and got this makeup palette. This is the Revolution SFX face paint, so hopefully this is much better than whatever I got last time. All right, I'm hoping not to take too long on this look because tonight is the Victoria's Secret fashion show and I want to watch it in my PJs. So let's get on it. I have 3 inspos that I'm going to put on the screen that I'm specifically looking at. I kind of want to do a combination of all 3. The first is very simple that I think I can achieve. The second and third are just like so gorgina. I'm gonna try my best, but I think as long as I get the white face paint down, I do my dots, pink contour and blush, and a cutie little lip combo, I think we're gonna be all good. One thing I'm gonna do differently today is I am going to use this mattifying primer by One Size. I think this is gonna make so much of a difference. Alright. Okay, my eyebrow is gonna be so mad. I don't know if you need to shake it or something. That smells weird. I hope that's not expired. Please do not fail me. I probably could have watched some videos of this, but I didn't, so. Let's make sure this is... Oh, my face feels tight. This is matte. UCool Me lashes. These are a hot commodity with everything going on. I don't know if this is correct. I'm just gonna take some and put it on the back of my hand. I'm gonna rub it together, kind of heat it up. Okay, this is already going on much better than the other product, but I wish I had a sponge. Okay, I think the patting motion is much better. This looks so much better than yesterday. Not gonna lie, this looks crazy. Don't forget, this is gonna be a cow cosplay. I kind of want to put some of this cheaper paint on my chest because I am almost entirely out of the white. So let's see what this does, if this is just makes it a bit easier to blend out. Okay, I bought this NYX Cosmetics Studio Powder. We just need a powder and powder everything. Ugh. Oh, I forgot to do my eyes. The chest looks a hot mess. It literally looks like the hottest mess I've ever seen. Now we're gonna take this Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeliner and make our cow spots. There's so much powder in the air, I can't breathe. Woo! And we are gonna fill in this circle and a bunch of other dots. The liquid is a bit difficult. I wonder if cream would be easier. This is a Smashbox cream. Liquid is better. Right, my dots are made. Now to fill them in. I'm filling in all the black spots, and what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over them with black eyeshadow so they're as like shiny as they can be, whereas matte. Then go in with liquid eyeliner to draw some of the details around the lines because this is a thicker brush, so it's kind of messing with like the borders of the spots. But so far looking really good. I'm almost done with all of my spots. I hope it comes together. I really hope it comes together because I'm not gonna lie guys, it is looking scary. You know, I feel like all makeup looks look this way until you put on like lashes and your finishing touches. Boy, this is interesting. I feel like I should do one more spot. No, now I'm gonna take that liquid eyeliner again and do some touch-ups. Okay, I've outlined all the spots. Now I'm gonna take my Patrick Ta palette and I'm gonna take the black shade and just press onto all my spots. hopefully mattifying it a little better than what it is. Darkening the spots so it's not gray and it's actually black. And to help it out, I'm also gonna tightline my eyes. Be really careful around some of these oddly shaped ones. I'm like, my good side is this side, so that's all that matters. I think I'm gonna have to put on like a high neck shirt because I am not feeling the body paint. Now I'm gonna take my black L'Oreal pencil and I'm going to fill in my tight line. Let's see. Wait, let me just triple check. Yeah, that's fine. I'm gonna tight line. I'm gonna do this the other eye. We are almost done, which is really exciting. We just tight lined our eyes. Now we're gonna take more of a fluffier brush. Oh, I washed my brushes today, so a lot of them are drying. But we're gonna take this brush. This seems like a good brush. And we're gonna take the one size blush. This is the perfect little pinky blush. And we're gonna take the powder blush. Look how this looks like bubblegum. And we are going to like, ooh, toward the face. It's also supposed to be kind of like a blush contour situation going on. It also has like this glittery highlight that I'm gonna put on there too. And it's through the eye. Okay, it's turning a little purpley. Let's see if I can use this Rare Beauty blush to pinken it up. Just a tad. I don't know, I think I took some of the white off my nose. Might have to make a little spot right there. I also have the perfect pink blush on this. This could work. Let's see. This is the Rare Beauty. I should have used this, to be honest. Not too late. Let's see. And just extend the nose. There we go. We're gonna go ahead and do our lip liner. We're gonna do a black outline. Look at that lip liner. Cute. I need to go get the perfect lip gloss. Hold on. Here it is. My lips were so dry, guys. I needed that so bad. All we need is lashes, ears, and a different shirt situation. I have not changed my shirt yet, but for YouTube, I don't think it matters too much. Ah, look at this cow look. This is so cute. I want to see if I can find a turtleneck to wrap this all together. I think it came out super adorable besides all the cracked paint from the cheaper paint I used, which I did not expect that to happen whatsoever. If I knew it was gonna do that, I wouldn't have even used it at all. Oh. I think this is so adorable. The lashes really brought it together, and the lippy. Now, of course, I did make a lot of mistakes, as anyone would their very first time trying something, but I hope this does encourage you guys to not give up, run with the ebbs and flows. This is my cow Halloween look. I hope you guys loved it, and we'll talk soon. Bye.